Dollar spot is a fungal lawn disease that attacks leaf tissue and creates spots of bleached grass on lawns. It can completely kill affected grass if left unchecked. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify dollar spot and treat it so your grass can stay green throughout the growing season. To shop the products in this video and learn even more about dollar spot control, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. Dollar spot can appear as small spots of light tan or yellow turf on your lawn, about the size of a US silver dollar coin, hence the name. The spots can grow larger, but only up to 6 inches in diameter. A single lawn can have numerous spots, and spots can overlap each other to form irregular shapes. Unlike some other lawn diseases like brown patch, the affected grass blades will usually continue to stand upright, instead of producing a sunken appearance. If you take a closer look at your grass blades, you may see tanned lesions with dark bands. If you check early in the morning, you may also see fungal threads or mycelium growing on affected turf. Check your lawn for clusters or solitary spots. Dollar spot can affect most warm and cool season grasses, but fescues, ryegrasses, and zoysia grasses can be especially vulnerable. Dollar spot thrives in high temperatures, high humidity, and low nitrogen soil, and it can appear on lawns starting from spring through to fall. Examine your lawn for active spots and check for heavily shaded parts or areas that have poor water drainage. Take note of these conditions when you find them, as they'll direct where you will focus your treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. Use a fungicide like Patch Pro as a treatment to stop and control the growth of lawn diseases and fungi. Patch Pro is a systemic fungicide, so it will absorb into the vegetation and attack the disease head-on, leaving the plant unharmed. Make sure you're applying the correct labeled rate to achieve desired results. To get rid of dollar spot, apply Patch Pro at the labeled rate of 0.5 to 2 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. As a preventative treatment, we recommend using 0.5 ounces of Patch Pro per 1,000 square feet with enough water to sufficiently treat the area. Typically, 1 gallon of water will treat 1,000 square feet. If dollar spot is already active in your lawn, use 2 ounces per 1,000 square feet. This will control the established dollar spot and prevent further spread in your lawn. When it comes to turf and vegetation diseases, it is always best to apply product before the disease takes root. It's recommended you apply Patch Pro before the weather starts to become hot and humid in the spring. Do not apply more than the maximum labeled rate of 16 ounces per 1,000 square feet per year. When applying Patch Pro to control established dollar spot, do not make more than 3 applications in a row before rotating to an alternate fungicide that has a different mode of action. We recommend using a 1-gallon hand pump sprayer to apply Patch Pro since you will be making localized treatments rather than broadcasting over the entire lawn. First, open the spray tank and fill it about halfway with water. Add the proper amount of Patch Pro, close the sprayer, and shake to distribute the chemical. Then, open the sprayer and add the remaining amount of water, up to the 1-gallon line. Close the sprayer and shake to ensure an even distribution of the chemical throughout the solution. Apply Patch Pro to areas affected by dollar spot and surrounding areas to prevent spread. For preventative treatments, you may apply Patch Pro to areas that you know will be affected by dollar spot when conditions become conducive for disease development. Also, treat areas in your lawn that are heavily shaded or have poor water drainage. Be sure to spray turf to the point of wet and not runoff. Make a follow-up application 14 to 28 days after your initial treatment. After about 2 weeks, you should see a noticeable reduction in the size of afflicted turf. An effective way to protect your lawn from diseases and fungi is to maintain its health and keep it strong. By taking proper care of your grass, it's more capable of fighting off dollar spot when it comes around, thus halting the spread of the disease. Rake and dethatch your lawn so more sunlight, water, and future chemical treatments can more easily reach the soil. Trim back tree branches to reduce shade on your lawn. These will not only help nutrients reach your turf, but also encourage evaporation and drainage so your lawn can retain the proper amounts of moisture. Water your lawn properly. Your lawn needs 1 to 1.5 inches of water every week, whether that's through rainfall or irrigation. Water your lawn once a week on the same day in the morning. It's better to water your grass deeply once a week than to do it a little every day. Deep watering will encourage stronger roots, whereas shallow watering will create a weaker root system that's more susceptible to disease. Be sure to mow your grass to the proper height. Tall grass encourages deeper root growth and strengthens your lawn. You want your grass to be about 3 to 4 inches in height, so adjust your mower accordingly. Also, take some time to make sure your mower is in good shape. The oil should be changed at least once a year, and the blades should be sharpened regularly. Finally, keep up with a proper fertilizing schedule. By keeping nitrogen levels stable and laying fertilizers high in potassium, you'll maintain a strong lawn that's better equipped to fight disease. Dollar spot is a fungal lawn disease that can kill patches of grass, but you can control it yourself with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. These products will help you get control of your dollar spot problem, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you liked this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.